Hi friends, you may hear. If you don't know, I'm shifting to my middle name, full name being Danae Yume Shanti, starting to go by Yume because it's been my stage name for a very long time. So quick announcement, we have shifted the December 6th show to December 7th because December 7th is a Saturday and it's going to be much easier on all of us involved with the show. So I wanted to give you a heads up on that because I think I've let you know a different date, and now that it's changed, I want to make sure you can attend. We're still figuring out if we can offer it virtually. I haven't gotten that far in the details yet. Basically, it is an autobiographical musical show with a lot of my original music in it that has lots of comedy and some special guest artists. I don't know what to call it yet. I'm sure I'll come up with a name, and when I have formal invitations and flyers done, I'll send it out to you. I just want to say thank you for being on my team, and thanks for all you bring to the world and to my world, and hope to see you soon. Okay, bye.